Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you invite your Facebook friend to your group by only one click. So you need to download the extension, and this extension is only available from me. Actually, you cannot find this extension from any group, so you need to be I will be keep this link in my description. Just copy and paste your browser, and this will be load this page, and click on continue. It will be load some ad. Just come back to your original page. After come back, and it will be load a human verification. After come back, just click here and ask for motorcycle verification. I do it. Just next. How many motorcycles? Oh, come back and motorcycle. Bye bye. It's a fire hydrant. It's okay. OMG, how many? Okay. Now I think I am a human. It's funny. Your download link is almost ready, bro. Just click on download. Oh, after come back, click again here. I can see my download is here, so I have already downloaded. So you can see here I have already downloaded. Oh, I need to say something to you that this is that folder. I recently downloaded it. If you're going to extract it, it will be asked a password. The password is get so leave show open. Now just enter it, okay, and you can see this. So we need to pick up this extension. So if you don't know how to do this, just go on your browser, 3z power extension, just manage extension, and make sure your developer mode is enabled. So I have enabled it, and load unpacked, and my package is from desktop, and you can see this is that extension. Select and select folder. It's boom. Now you can see my extension is here. So actually I am using my Facebook or group in my favorite browser, Microsoft. Shift here, so let's cover the Facebook. Oh, not just click on enter. So this is my Facebook, and you can see this is my Facebook group, and this is my group. Where is my extension? Manage extension. Okay, so I need to pick up here. This is the Microsoft browser. Just load no packet, desktop, select folder, and now you can see I have this one here. Click on here. Okay, so this is the data extension. Click on the invite button. So you can see here my friends. You can invite them one by one, but you have a extension, so you have no need to select one by one. Just click on here, or otherwise click on your extension. Just do this, and you can see here it's marking one by one automatically, and it's depend on your internet browser. So it's very good for you and everyone for grow up your group and inviting them. After selecting your friends, just click on send invite button, and I have already 139 friends in Dhaka, Bangladesh, so I can send them invites here from. So it's send it to them. So this was today's method. So I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, then you can subscribe my YouTube channel or otherwise thank you. And you can also be our like our group, or you can be join our group World Anime Lover. I just created recently. I have 9 members. I just starting to invite them. Actually I love anime, so if you like animes, then you can join here. So thank you for watching, and I hope your group will grow up very faster. So thank you, good night.